Howdy.
Hey guys, what's up? This is the Pizza Crusade. I'm McQuerter.
I'm Jon Hufft.
And here at EagleAir TV today we have decided to try some new pizza because Marco's Pizza has come into Nixa recently. We want to compare it to some very popular chains like Domino's and Pizza Hut.
See what's the best. See if it's worth all the fuss.
Yeah, so we're basically going to try each of them, give you our thoughts, and I'm going to go and grab the pizza for us, and I will be back, take it back to my colleague. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be tasty.
Then we will rank them.
So we're going to have a good time. Hi, I'm here to pick up a medium pepperoni pizza for McQuerter.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too. Hey man, how's it going? How can I help? I should have a pepperoni pizza for Noah McQuerter. There you go. Thank you.
Would you like any Parmesan cheese and fresh bread?
That'll be all.
You have a good night.
You too. I bring pizza.
Sweet.
So this is a Pizza Hut. First stop.
I'm a fan of the Hut.
Let's grab a slice and try it. So it's
Alright.
flat. Want to try it?
Very cheesy. I like it. I like the thin crust. It's nice.
It's got the nice crunchiness of the crust.
It's not too.
It's very light feeling when it gets in your stomach. But
It's just very weird.
overall, it's a very good pizza. Me too.
Howdy. Once again.
So now we have Domino's. What makes a great pizza? Apparently Domino's does.
Got some good herb to it.
It's got a slightly more. It looks like there's more cheese than crust on it than in cheese crust ratio of Pizza Hut, but it'll be interesting to try.
Has a little more crunch than Pizza Hut.
Yeah. It's almost got a sweetness to the sauce.
Not as cheesy, but yeah, the sauce ratio. Feels
Sauce,
different,
yeah.
lack of cheese. It lost its warm temperature pretty quick though.
It's good though. It's also good. Alright, this is
Yes.
Marco's,
Fancy stuff.
new to Nixa. So
New to
I'm
Nixa.
gonna try it and see what all the fuss is about.
Ooh,
Oh,
it's very thick.
much thicker. Let's go ahead and give this one a try.
I like the good geometry.
Yeah. It feels salty.
Wow, it's got a lot of grease on the bottom, huh? Very cheesy. I like it.
Very cheesy. Nothing with sauce,
Yeah, not a lot of sauce.
but it tastes good.
Seems like there's more grease on this than there's salt. Sauce, not salt. Not bad.
Sauce squirted on the floor. I mean, on the table. But good pizza. Good pizza. Oh. So we, my colleague and I have reviewed the pizzas, and we're gonna give them a ranking. Since I don't have a preference, I did it based on how I felt they did tonight. Marco's, I think, did for me the best. It was super cheesy, super strong flavor, and I liked that. What are your thoughts?
After trying all of them, first time Marco's. But number 3 would have to be Marco's because I mean I really like the crust on it. Like it was a good fluffy crust.
Oh yeah?
But
Tell me more.
but it was really greasy, and I felt like it could have had more sauce on it. Went with number 1 with Pizza Hut because it was just a really good cheese balance along with a really good crunchy crust. It just seemed like it was overall the best pizza for me.
Well, in the end of all this, Marco's, we'd like to welcome you to Nixa, and this is McQuerter and Jon Hufft signing up for EagleAir TV. Thank you for joining us on this crusade, and happy eating.